Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing unboxing of this Air France 787-9. So without further ado, let's dive right on into this video. You go here at the front of the box. It's a very beautiful Air France box. As you can see, Air France likes a little bit of a custom box from Gemini Jets. It's quite beautiful with their gradient design. I always really like the Air France boxes, but here's the sides of the box. They're all pretty much the legit exact same side, just with each one has a different gradient. Here's the back of the box, which is also a really cool different design from a normal Gemini Jets box. And here is the flap of the box, which is also cool because it's different than the normal one, and it has your model there with all of its specifications. There it is in the box. So let's go ahead and crack this one open. Standard Gemini Jets packaging. There it is. So there is the model. Again, it's the beautiful Air France livery, Air France 787. Beautiful model. I suggest if you would like Air France model, I would consider picking this one up. Personally, I like the 787 on pretty much any European airline. Some American airlines it looks good on, mainly American, but anyways guys, alright, this is FunTube Aviation signing off.